If you want to learn how to write in Photopea, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add text in Photopea, customize it, move it around your design, and edit it later without starting over. This is super useful whether you're making a thumbnail, poster, social media graphic, or any other design project. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your project in Photopea or create a new canvas. Once you're inside the editor, the fastest way to start typing is to press T on your keyboard. That selects the type tool instantly. You can also choose it from the toolbar, but the keyboard shortcut is much faster once you get used to it. Now click once anywhere on your canvas. When you click, Photopea creates a text box and lets you begin typing right away. Go ahead and enter your text. This could be a title, a caption, a name, or anything else you want to place on your design. After you finish typing, press Ctrl and Enter on Windows or Command and Enter on Mac to confirm the text and place it on the canvas. Once your text is added, you can start customizing the style. To do that, make sure the Type tool is still selected, then highlight the words you want to change. At the top of the screen, you'll see the Text Options bar. This is where you can adjust the font, the size, and the color. If you want to change the font, click the Font drop-down menu and browse through the available typefaces. Pick the one that fits your design best. For example, a bold font works great for thumbnails, while a clean modern font may be better for banners and professional graphics. After that, adjust the size. You can drag the size slider or type in a pixel value directly, like 150 pixels, depending on how large you want the text to appear. Next, if you want to change the color, click the colored rectangle in the top bar. That opens the color picker where you can choose a new shade that matches your design. This is a great way to make your text stand out against the background. Once you're happy with the style, just apply the changes and continue designing. Now let's say you want to move the text to a different part of the canvas. That's easy. Press V on your keyboard to switch to the Move tool. Then click and drag the text wherever you want it to go. You can place it in the corner, center it, or align it with other elements in your design. This gives you full control over the layout. And if you ever need to edit the text later, you do not need to delete it and start over. Just select the Type tool again by pressing T, then click directly inside the text. From there, you can change the spelling, update the wording, or adjust the formatting. This makes Photopea really convenient because you can keep refining your design as you go. So to quickly recap, press T to type, click on the canvas, enter your text, confirm it with Ctrl and Enter or Command and Enter, then use the top bar to change the font, size, and color. After that, use V to move the text and T again if you want to edit it later. Once you know these basics, writing in Photopea becomes really simple. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Photopea tips and beginner-friendly editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.